Hello friends, hope you're doing well in this pandemic. Welcome to my new channel Geofirm. This is the first ever video of my channel and I hope you will like it. In this video we will learn about our solar system and the planetary fact, the terrestrial planets, asteroid belt and the giant planets. First we will see the sun. As we know, the sun is the only star in our solar system and has primarily made up of hydrogen and helium, and the other elements like oxygen, carbon, neon, nitrogen, magnesium, iron and silicon are the minor elements. Sun has a radius is about 6,96,340 km and the diameter is about 1.3 million km. If we talk about the mass of sun, the sun comprises 99.86% of all the mass in our solar system. If we compare with it our earth masses, it's about 3,32,900 times of our earth mass. The surface temperature of sun is 5,500 degrees Celsius and in core it reaches up to 15 million degrees Celsius. Density is 1.41 gram per centimeter cube. As usual, gravity is 274 meter per second square and the age, which is most comparable with Earth, is 4.6 billion years. This is the sun's image and the all terminologies that we know about the sun. So we will see the few of them. That is, first is a photosphere. Photosphere is the lowest layer of sun's atmosphere and has a capacity to emit the light up to 500 km. Then we will see the chromosphere. The chromosphere is the hotter up to 19,725 degrees Celsius and it is made up of the spicules. The spicules are spread across up to 1,000 km and high up to 10,000 km. Between those there is a transition region and which is also a few miles thick. As you see, this part of the sun is called corona. Corona is nothing but the upper atmosphere of the sun and it is made up of loop and the ionized gases. Corona has a temperature up to 6 million degrees Celsius and when solar flare occurs the temperature reaches up to tens of million degrees Celsius. The matter which is blown off from the corona is called the solar winds. Yes. These are the terminologies we just seen earlier. This is the planetary fact sheet. Here is the all required details about the planets are mentioned here. You can refer this sheet or the details mentioned in slide also. There may be some minor difference in the figures because we don't have exact figures yet. It is also included Moon and the Pluto also. Yeah. Okay. Next, the terrestrial planets. Earlier there are 9 planets in our solar system, but the Pluto was excluded. Now there are total 8 planets, and those 8 planets are classified in 2 groups. First is inner planets, which are closer to the sun, and the second one is outer planets, which are further from the sun. These inner planets is also called as terrestrial planets, and the outer planets is also called as giant planets because they are bigger in size as compared to inner planets. And both these groups are separated by the cluster of asteroid, or we can say the belt of asteroid. First we will see the Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun, which is also the second densest planet after Earth, and it also has the fastest orbital revolution than any other planet in our solar system. About radius and diameter, you can refer to the fact sheet or this slide details also. Both are the correct. Core of the Mercury has a greater diameter than the crust of the Mercury. As we see, the crust of Mercury is made up of silicate shell and it has a thickness up to 600 km. Mercury is primarily made up of sodium, potassium and calcium. If you see, the surface temperature of Mercury is 450 degrees Celsius, and at night it goes up to minus 170 degrees Celsius. Even the Mercury is closest to the Sun, at night the temperature of Mercury goes down and makes huge difference. Also, it has a permanent ice on its pole. The orbital revolution speed of Mercury is 1,80,000 km per hour. Then the Venus. As the Mercury has ice on its pole, the Venus has a clouds of sulfuric acid, which means that the Venus has a rain of sulfuric acid. It is primarily made up of more than 96% of carbon dioxide, 3.5% of nitrogen, and trace gases with sulfur dioxide. Venus has 167 large volcanoes that are over the hundreds kilometers of size, and the crater size ranges up to 3 to 280 kilometers. All planets have prograde rotations. Likewise, we know all the planets are moving around the Sun in prograde rotation, but the Venus is unlike for that. It is unique and it's rotate retrogradely to the Sun. It has a traveling speed of its rotation is 1,26,077 km per hour. If we compare its longer rotation, it has a longer rotation as compared to the other planets also, and if we compare with the Earth, it completes about 230 Earth days. The crust of Venus is 50 km thick. Then the Earth. Actually, I have mentioned very less information of Earth here because I will produce more videos to the centric point of Earth, because we are living on it and we have to know all about it. So I will produce more videos of the Earth, like Earth and its processes. So that's why I mentioned very less information here. It is third planet of our solar system and the only planet in solar system that is bearing life, and it has orbital speed is about 1,07,000 km per hour. Then we will see the Moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of Earth, right? And it is also the fifth largest satellite in our solar system. It has a radius is about 1,737 km. Polar and equatorial radius are not much difference. There are only 1 or 2 kilometers of difference in polar and equatorial radius. So nothing about it. Then the composition of Moon. Composition is primarily made up of helium, argon, neon, sodium, potassium, hydrogen, and radon. It also has a crust, mantle, and core system like our Earth. Crust is up to 100 km thick, mantle is up to 1700 km thick. Also, the outer core is fluidous layer, and the inner core is a solid, which is 160 km, and the fluid one is 350 km thick. Then the Mars. Mars is the fourth and the last planet of our solar system, that is inner planet and the fourth planet, inner last planet of our solar system. Okay, don't confuse. And the second smallest planet also. The radius of Mars is about 3,396 km, and it is primarily made up of carbon dioxide, argon, and water vapor. Mars has the tallest mountain in our solar system, named that is Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano as well as the tallest mountain in our solar system. It has a height is about 21,287 meter. It is said that the Mars has a water previously and all remain now is deserted, right? Maybe because of this, it has a huge storms, desert storms on Mars, and it also comprises the largest dust storm in our solar system. Then the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt, or also called as uh, asteroid cluster also, it is present between the Mars and the Jupiter. It is irregular shaped bodies and can also say the matters which are left behind from the dead planets or the extinct planets which are floating in the space, and due to sun's gravity and the Jupiter's gravity, they are floating between these uh, two planets, Mars and Jupiter. They are classified in three groups, that is carbonaceous, siliceous and the metal rich. There are four type of asteroids which are very much bigger and togetherly comprises 40% of total asteroid belt's mass. The Ceres is the only alone asteroid which comprises 25% of its asteroid belt's mass. Right? Unlike Vesta, Pallas and Hygiea, these are also the asteroids. You can see the size of Pluto, Charon, with compare with Ceres and Vestas, and in second image you can see the asteroid belt present between Jupiter and the Mars. Then next, the giant planets. The giant planets are primarily made up of the gaseous and the ice. All outer planets are bigger in size than the inner planets. We will discuss it about one by one. The first one is Jupiter. After Sun, the Jupiter is second largest body in our solar system and the largest planet in our solar system also. Jupiter is a primary made up of gaseous hydrogen and the minor helium. Hence it is called as the gas giant. It is too difficult to see Jupiter's crust because the atmosphere is fully of gaseous. It is only object after Sun and Moon which we can see by our naked eye in clear night sky. It has a highest magnetic field which goes up to 800 million kilometer long. That's why the Jupiter is also called as the savior of Earth. It also has a known 79 moons. Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system and it has a greater diameter than Mercury. Apart from this, the Jupiter also has the Great Red Spot. If you see here, this is the Great Red Spot. It is a giant storm which is continuously present on Jupiter. Like Saturn, Jupiter also has the faint planetary rings surrounded to it, which are not seen by eyes or generally the scopes because they are very thin. Then the Saturn. The Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It is also a gas giant and has 82 known moons. The Titan is the second largest moon in our solar system and it is also greater than the Mercury. After Mars, we can say the Titan has a sustainable environment. Titan has a sustainable environment for living, but it is too far from the Earth. That's why we are looking for Mars for the next generation living, or whichever is. It also has a prominent ring system composed of ice particles, minor rocks, debris, and dust. Saturn appears as a pale yellow color due to ammonia. We didn't discuss about its density, gravity, diameter, mass and other things because they are already mentioned in the planetary fact sheet, so we can refer from that. The Uranus. Uranus is made up of the ice and the rocks. Ice is more, hence it is also called as the ice giants. It also has a layered cloud structure. Upper one is a methane and lower one is a watery. It has a composition of hydrogen, helium, which contains icy like water, ammonia and methane. It also has a 27 known moons. Yeah. The Uranus is tilted on its axis of north-south pole, which is totally opposite to the other planets, and it is parallel to the plane of solar system, that is 99.77 degree. Then we will see the last planet, Neptune. The Neptune is the second ice giant, which is also having 14 moons, which are known moons. It is also the densest in outer planets. It has a composition of hydrogen, helium, hydrocarbon tracers, and the higher proportion of water, ammonia, and methane. This is the only planet which are found by the mathematical prediction, not by the empirical observation. Other information like gravity, mass, diameter, density, you can see the planetary fact sheet because both are the correct one. You can refer any one as per your reference. Yeah. Thank you so much, friends. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.